Stop wasting time with slow file transfers or searching for USB cables. I just found a way to send huge files from my phone to my computer instantly, for free and without any wires. It works for every device: Android, iPhone, Windows and Mac. Let me show you the 3 simple apps that do it best. The first app is Blip. First, install Blip app on both of your devices where you want to transfer files. Now open the app and sign in using your email ID. You will receive a one-time verification code on your email address. Enter that code and you are all set. Once both devices are logged in, Blip will automatically detect and show nearby devices that are also signed in with the app. Now on the device from which you want to send files, select the destination device. Here tap any option of your need. I am selecting Send Photos and Videos. Then select the photo and hit Send button. The transfer starts instantly. As you can see, I transferred this photo from my phone to my PC in just a few seconds. Once the transfer is complete, simply save the file on your device. The best part is that Blip works across multiple platforms. Whether you are using Windows, Mac OS, Android or iPhone, you can easily transfer files between them without worrying about compatibility. The second app is LocalSend. It works on Android, iPhone, Windows and Mac, so you can easily transfer files between almost any device. First, install the app on both of your devices and make sure they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once both apps are open, they will automatically detect each other. Now I want to transfer a photo from my phone to my Windows PC, so I'll tap on Send. Here you can choose what you want to share: media, text, files or even entire folders. I will select the photo I want to send. Now you will see your other device appear on the screen with a unique device name. Each device automatically gets a name. For example, my Windows PC is showing up on the phone with this name. Simply tap on your device, then accept the transfer request on your Windows PC. That's it. The file will be transferred in just a few seconds. And if you don't want to install the app, you can also use LocalSend in your browser on both devices and transfer files the same way. The third option is a little different. It's called PairDrop, and the best part is you don't need to install any app. Just open the PairDrop website on both devices. As soon as it loads, you will see a device name under You Are Known As. Now tap this icon at the top to create a temporary public room. A room ID or QR code will appear. On your second device, either enter the room ID or simply scan the QR code. As you can see, I am entering the room ID from my Windows PC on my phone. Then I will tap on Join. Once both devices join the same room, they will instantly detect each other. Now tap on the device where you want to send your files. I will select my Windows PC from my phone. Choose your photos or files. Accept the transfer request on the other device. And that's it. Your files will be transferred in just a few seconds. All 3 apps are completely free, so you can try them all and see which one works best for you. Now, I would love to know, which app do you use to transfer files between your devices? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech tips and tutorials.